Hey guys, it's Gus. Today we got the GP Toys S920 Pro. It is also the same thing as Soyee, or however you pronounce that. And this is the Pro version, which as far as I can tell, the only difference would be the from the regular one is this one does have the oil-filled shocks in it. So let's see what we get in the box. So first thing we get is our manual. These actually have a really nice manual. It's actually color, gives you all the instructions, breakdown with part numbers so you can find any parts you might need. Comes with 2 batteries, and it has an adapter in here so you can run 2 batteries at the same time, or you run a single. If you run both batteries at the same time, you got to run this strap. You run 1 battery, it's got just this little cover that goes on underneath the body. Comes with some spare parts, some lights, 2 chargers because it does come with 2 batteries. I think there's some extra body clips in there. Oh, and this one does come with an actual charging block as well to plug in the chargers. Okay. And then in here, if you run a single battery, you put this on and put the plastic cover. If you run 2, you got to stack them up with the adapter, and then this strap wraps around. I'll probably just run a single battery in it. And then I also have another battery I want to try running in here, a 3-cell label. And this has dual 390 motors, I think it said. 60 amp speed control. This one actually does have some metal reinforced parts. Metal reinforced on the bottom. Suspension actually feels pretty good. And then the radio you get, you got your steering trim, dual rates, steering reversing, and then you got your speed mode, power button. Alright, well, I'm going to get these batteries charged up and we'll take her outside and see how it works. Alright guys, we're outside. I got the speed meter on it. The first thing we're going to do is see how fast it is. And we got 16 miles an hour. Does seem to handle pretty good though. Just had to double check to make sure I did have it in high speed, and I do have it in high speed. But for a $100 truck, it's still pretty good. fun little truck. It is a little bit on the slow side, but this one does handle pretty good. The tires are a little on the firm side, but it's only like, I think like 33 degrees outside right now, so that's probably part of it. But make sure you check your wheel nuts. I did lose a wheel. Other than that, I would say it's definitely worth the $100. That's all we got for you today. We got 15 minutes of run time out of it. Worked real good. Tires are a little firm, but it's only 33 degrees outside, so that's probably part of the reason. Shocks work good. I'm gonna have to pick up a set of these for my Hosim, because these are very similar trucks. And I think next we're going to try this thing on 3S. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.